Hey guys, welcome back. As you can see, I'm in the office today. The last video I did, I was working remotely, and today I just wanted to give you guys a video of me working in office. I'm gonna go through my tickets now. Some of my tickets are still here from the last video because, like I was telling you guys before, I have to wait on procurement for some of the stuff, and some of these tickets that are in my queue, I really can't do nothing about 100%. Okay. So, I really do not know why they are sending me these tickets, but it's part of the job. So I'm gonna get it done. Okay. So we're just going to go over the tickets that I have today and the ones that I'm going to address. And I'm going to be on PTO for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, which is a good thing, right? Yay, some time off. And I want to get as much done before I take my PTO days, right? So let's go over the tickets real quick. So first thing first, I have about 10 tickets in my queue right now. And the first ticket I have here is a Windows 11 upgrade will not activate. So it seems like what happened with this device or this user is their device is updated to Windows 11 because we're doing a mass Windows 11 update across our company, and their device was updated to Windows 11, but it seemed like when it got updated, it deactivated the device. So now the user is getting an activation prompt that keeps popping up, and they are not able to change the background of their device and all of that stuff. So I'm going to give them a call, do some troubleshooting steps. There's a couple things that I want to take a look at, and there's a couple things I think that might work to fix this issue. So I'm going to take a look at that. Then I have a ticket here for FDC error message. This is an application that we use for work orders for the users in the field. And sometimes when the work orders have special characters and things of that nature, it does not go through, right? So you have to go in and try to remove the special characters. Another thing is, like, if you guys know, like when you copy something from one platform or from a website or from somewhere, when you copy it, if you just paste it, it will paste with the attributes and stuff from where you copied it from. So one of the best things to do is copy and then paste as plain text, right? So it'll just paste the text alone and get rid of all that extra stuff, right? So that could be another issue because sometimes people, they're trying to work fast and they're just copying and pasting, and they're pasting in different attributes and stuff from other sites, and that might be the reason why it's showing up like that. And even if you can't see the special characters, it might still be there in the background or whatever, right? So I'm gonna take a look at that. I should be able to close that ticket out as long as the users respond. And then I have an onboarding ticket here. I'm gonna make sure that the user has all the right groups and licenses that they need. I already placed the order for their hotspot and all of that stuff. I already have a laptop for them. And when they get started on the 20th, they'll be good to go. So I'm not really worried about that ticket too much. The only thing I have to do is really just double check, make sure they have the right licenses and stuff. So when they start, they could just sign in and they're good to go. I have another onboarding ticket here that I already took care of already. And yeah, I already made sure they have everything they needed. Right now, I'm just waiting for them to start, and they don't start till in November the 10th. So that's a good little minute from there. So the next ticket I have here is a ticket I told you guys about in my last video. Just waiting on the devices to be delivered at the location that it's going to. And that's it. Once it's delivered, I'll remote and get the user set up with whatever they need to get set up with, and they're good to go. Then I have another ticket here. Well, I have the 2 duplicate tickets still in my queue for the Yodeck devices. I'm not sure if they have gotten where they're supposed to. I'll reach out just to double check. And then I have a ticket here for the 5G iPads that I told you guys about in the other video. And then I have my 2 disposal tickets that I told you guys about in the other video. So today what I'm going to do, I'm going to be taking a look at that Windows 11 upgrade not activated ticket, the FDC ticket, go over that one onboarding ticket just to make sure I have all the right licenses assigned to the user. And then I will reach out to the guy that I have the laptop and the peripherals going to just to double check to see if it got there already. And then I'll call the manager for the location where the Yodeck devices is supposed to be going and see if they received it already. And that should be how my day goes today. So I appreciate you guys locking in and watching my videos, and I will definitely see you guys in the next one.